Hey everyone, EnigmaCoinCollector here, and I've got a few purchases in my inventory from the United States Mint that I haven't opened yet, and I thought I'd do a quick video for today to show you what I've got. One of them is the Philadelphia and Denver rolls of the 2023 Kennedy half dollars. Now I know that they're starting to get found into circulation, so this is probably not going to be another NIFC year, but we'll talk about more about that in a little bit. But I just want to see them. I always get them just so I have them. I've got a fresh set from the Mint and add them to my collection. Then I also have the 2023 Clad Proof Set. I got that sent via my subscription, so we're going to go ahead and unbox that and show you what that product looks like as well. But for right now, let me go ahead and get the box with the 2023 Kennedys, and we'll see some half dollars. All right, so here's the box that they came in, and I have not opened it yet. As is standard, I'll try to score this. This box has not been opened before. I'll try to open it as discreetly as possible, pull out any paperwork off to the side, and then show you guys the coins. Now, I think it's interesting because it appears like these are getting put into circulation, so they haven't announced this yet, but, and we won't really know this until mintage figures are out, it would appear the 2023 is going to join 2021 and 2 as years where half dollars are not going to be considered NIFCs. And I think moving forward, we're going to have to assume that. It just feels like they're going to keep making more than the 2 million or so. And I think after that, you really can't call them NIFCs anymore. So those are my thoughts. I think that the years of NIFCs have taken a temporary pause, but that's my 2 cents. It's probably only worth a penny. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think about the state of NIFCs with the United States Mint in regard to half dollars. Anyway, looks like it's all in a cardboard box this time. Let me zoom down so you guys can see. There it is, the 2023 Kennedy half dollars, $10 in that roll, United States Mint. You can see there, uncirculated. And then here is the Denver 2023 Kennedy half dollar, $10 denomination. There we can see the Denver Mint mark. So I'm going to go ahead and add these to my collection. In fact, I'm probably going to give away some of these on a live stream. So there are the clad edges of the 2023 half dollars. And they look pretty nice. Denver. We'll open this one too. It's an unboxing video. You might as well unbox all of it. How crazy would it be to find a circulated coin in here? Not good. And there's P as well. 2023. These are actually my first 2023 coins in hand from this year. So I've not found a penny, quarter, nickel, or dime yet. So very cool to have these. Let's move on to the next product. And here's going to be the 2023 Clad Proof Set. You can see here, they've added some security tape, which is an interesting addition. Wasn't on the half dollars, but it is on the proof set. And this isn't even the silver proof set. That comes out later. So I wonder if that's going to be something they're going to add moving forward. There that is. Yep. Looks like it's the same type of box as last year. I think it is. Yep. 2023 Mint Proof Set. Did not get the quarters only this year because they should be in here as well. So no sense in buying duplicates. And let's check this out. So there is your slab with your penny, dime, nickel, dollar, and half dollar. All minted in San Francisco. These all look to be in really great shape. I don't see any defects, nothing beneath the case. Really great shape. Really like the design on the dollar coin this year. Very, very cool. And then the quarters, and I have not found any of these in circulation yet, so this is my first time seeing them, and they look great. Wow, that design is really unique because it's the fields are completely empty. So when you see those coins, that's going to be very odd. It's almost going to look like a foreign. Wow, Eleanor Roosevelt. Yeah, I don't know all these, but Maria Talljeev. Okay, and so she's on the dollar as well. Again, these coins look really good. Not rotated like the one last year that I got. Nothing beneath the surface, so maybe the United States Mint is upping their quality. It'll be interesting when we get the Morgan and Peace dollars later this year. What kind of quality that is. And then here's the certificate of authenticity. You can see all the information and pause as you listen to my children yell in the background. Well, that's all I've got for you today. I know this is a little bit of a short video, but I'm working on some projects right now that aren't quite finished, so hopefully you'll see them on the channel in the near future. But I wanted to take some time to show you what I've been getting in the mail and a box of stuff, so I have it and add it to my collection. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like it, please consider clicking that subscribe button and hitting that bell to get notified when I release new content. If you got something to say, leave it in the comments below. I'd appreciate a thumbs up, and remember, it's always a mystery until you open those boxes from the mailbox and find out what you got on the inside. Thanks for taking the time to watch, everyone. I'll catch you on the next one.